guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to enable Facebook login alerts. If you're using Facebook and you want to enable Facebook login alerts, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your app or in your browser. Just simply open Facebook. I'm gonna open Facebook in my browser here. Now once you are on Facebook, just click on this profile icon in the top right, click on settings and privacy, and then go to settings. Click on account center. Now, in the latest update, in the latest version, you might not have direct option to enable login alerts because Facebook has automatically enabled this option and removed the option from here. Whenever anyone tries to get login to your account, you might get alert. But you can also check your login status in the section. Just click on where you're logged in and select your Facebook account. And here you can see on my devices you're logged in. So here I have only these two devices. Here's my Windows PC, my this device, and here's my phone. So you just have to click select devices to log out and select the device you want to log out from, and click on log out, and your account will be logged out from that account device. So in this way, you can easily check your login status and your login alerts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.